1, 2. Nana Bougie, you want to check them? Well, there goes the fan again. Suppose the microphones can pick that up. Yeah, I think they can. You just want to wait for a second? I suppose they can. It's cold today. Guessing it is cold. You want that to be the Ojibwe word of the day? Oh, maybe. I guess we haven't really talked about it yet. You want to use the 4th fret for the musical interludes or intro or whatnot? Yeah, sure. All right. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Nana Bougie, give me a check on your microphone. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. All right. And Natasha, can you give me a check 1, 2 on your microphone? I just want to check the levels here. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. All right. I think we're good to go. Seems like the fan has stopped blowing for the time being anyway. All right, do you want to get started? Hey, can you give us an intro? You want me to give you an intro? Yeah, if you don't mind. I'd be delighted. BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Doog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Anamosh. That's dog in Ojibwe. Anamosh, an indigenous cause, we might say. Well, without further ado, please welcome Nana Bougie and Natasha. Take it away, boss. Hey, thank you so much. That was real good. Ladies and gentlemen, Anamosh, my Niji. Yeah, so welcome back to the show. And it is cold. You know, we filmed this in Bemidji, Minnesota. If you're not from around here, Bemidji is in northern central Minnesota. Mm-hmm. And today they're saying the high. Did you hear this, honey? What's that? The high today is 0. I think it's like 14 below right now. But the high of 0. So it's a cold one. Gisana. Brr. It's cold. Gisana. And, but I was thinking today, our Ojibwe word should be Miskwaagamiiwi-Zaaga'Iganing.
Oh.
Miskwaagamiiwi-Zaaga'Iganing, the Red Lake Nation. You know, we profiled Leech Lake yesterday, or a couple days ago. And so today, you know, Bemidji is kind of between Leech Lake and Red Lake. And so the Ojibwe word today, in honor of our brothers north of us, kind of northwest, Miskwaagamiiwi-Zaaga'Iganing, the proud Red Lake Nation. And the town of Red Lake is actually, you say, Ogakaning. That's the Ojibwe word for that place, Ogakaning. And let's see, what can we say about Red Lake? Red Lake has a distinction for being a closed res. They didn't join the Minnesota Chippewa tribe. I mean, they're part of the tribe. They're part of the Anishinaabe tribe. But they're not part of the Minnesota Chippewa tribe. They're their own people. So, Miskwaagamiiwi-Zaaga'Iganing, Red Lake Nation. And they got them 2 big lakes up there, Upper and Lower Red Lake. Mm-hmm. There's the town of Panema. And, and I guess that's all I have to say about that. All right. You want to add anything here, sweetie?
No. Can you just remind them to sign up for Patreon?
Oh, sure. Just one more time, I want to thank the patron saints. I mean, talk about my my brothers and sisters,
Yeah,
the people
huh.
who support the show every month. I can't say thank you enough. But if you'd like to support the show, click the link down here. And Christmas is coming up, so don't forget, if you have little kids in your life you want to teach Ojibwe to, Michael Lyons has a number of children's books and comics for sale on Amazon, and there's a link to that too. All right. Well, with that, I'm gonna say, hey, Anamosh, you wanna send us out? Well, I'd be delighted. Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching the BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO podcast. It's a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Anamosh, and this has been Nana BOOZHOO and the lovely and talented Natasha. And I want to say I'll see you again. Yiga Waba Min, Minawa. So how was that? Oh, you did just good. You're like a pro. Oh, get out of here. Pro says. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Anamosh. Oh, you think that works?
Oh, that'd be great.
All right.
Can I get a little B-roll? Can I get a little B-roll?
And I see her from across the room. Yes, it's love in the first degree. Ooh, baby.
Baby, baby, got no song for a B-roll. Got nothing to say for a B-roll. I hope you had anything to do with this episode.